My name is Alexis Johnson. I'm from Brookston, Indiana, and I'm in the physical therapy assistant program at Wabash Valley College. I'd say my freshman year of high school, I had an injury, so I had to go to rehab for that. And just getting introduced to the rehab physical therapy area is what got me in love with this concept of rehab. Being in this program, it has helped me grow my problem-solving skills because you have so many different patients and you can't treat them all the same way. So just learning how to problem solve with each patient every day, that's helped me just professionally and personally. Some of the hands-on activities we have in the physical therapy assistant program is we work on each other, getting that practice in the school setting, and then we also go to clinicals. So last fall we had our first clinical and we go out and work on actual patients with actual employees and just getting hands-on with your patients. Even our instructors have PTs in the community come in and help us. Just getting different perspectives from all of them has really helped us grow our knowledge. After graduating, I plan on going back to my community, working in a hospital setting, maybe a nursing home, just working in my community back home and just helping those people around me.